To our top story tonight at 6. COVID cases are on the rise, and so are concerns about the Delta variant across the nation and here in Middle Georgia. 41
NBC's Ariel Schiller spoke with health experts about those concerns and what they are seeing locally.
COVID cases are on the rise at Middle Georgia hospitals. This comes several weeks after Coliseum, which is now Piedmont-Macon, announced they had 0 COVID patients. The hospital didn't give an exact number of COVID patients they have right now, but say the number of patients have doubled in the last week. Dr. Darren Adamulyi is a resident physician at Piedmont-Macon. He says the majority of patients he's seen are unvaccinated and many are in their 20s and 30s. Dr. Adamulyi says the Delta variant is spreading and it's concerning because it's highly contagious. He urges people to get vaccinated.
There's a lot of things going around about the vaccine, but one thing I can say is I've seen more people unvaccinated coming back with COVID than people who actually got the vaccine.
Chief Medical Officer with Atrium Health Navicent, Dr. Patrice Walker, says they have around 70 COVID patients at the medical center in Macon. She says that number was in the low teens about 2 weeks ago.
I think that unfortunately we became complacent. And also, we just didn't have enough people taking advantage of the biggest tool that we have, and that's vaccination.
Michael Hawkinson is the public information officer with North Central Health District. He says there's no information on how many cases of the Delta variant are in Georgia right now, but the CDC looked at about 500 sequences and found 40% of those are the Delta variant. According to Hawkinson, the Delta variant is about 50% more transmissible.
At this time, the majority of new hospitalizations, deaths, serious outcomes of COVID-19 are in the unvaccinated group rather than the vaccinated group.
Dr. Adamulyi says he believes another surge of COVID, similar to what we saw in the beginning of the pandemic, is coming soon. He says following COVID protocols like wearing a mask, social distancing, and avoiding large crowds will help curb the spread of the virus.
The whole point of this is to actually stop the spread. So if we can stop the spread, I feel like, even the surge we're talking about, we might not even get to that surge if we can stop the spread.
In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
According to the Georgia Department of Public Health, there were more than 6,000 new cases today, 21 confirmed deaths, and 167 new hospitalizations.